Ugh, my hand is cramping because I've written 50 labels today. I haven't even had a chance to prep the lemons because all I've been writing about is when I prepped them. I wish there was a solution. If I had a genie and I had 3 wishes, my first wish would be for a labeling system that didn't take forever. I wonder what they'd call that. Introducing the Date Code Genie. Hi everyone, it's Katie from Hill & Marks, and today we're talking about the Date Code Genie. The food service industry is fast-paced, which is why you can't be wasting precious time writing out labels. Even color-coded labeling systems require time and effort that you don't have. Thankfully, the Date Code Genie from National Checking saves time, money, and improves efficiency. It'll make all of your labeling wishes come true. Operating a restaurant requires extreme organization, and a proper labeling system is a key component of that. Labels relay important information. The Date Code Genie is a one-time purchase, no ink or maintenance, and no subscription or monthly fees. Handwritten labels take up more time than you have and can be misunderstood or illegible. Avoid potential hazards like selling goods on the wrong day or after the expiration dates because of messy handwriting. The Date Code Genie will bring you labels on demand with logos, barcodes, ingredients, nutrition facts, allergens, custom notes, and more. Date Code Genie simplifies the takeout process. It's perfect for grab-and-go purchases like breakfast sandwiches and baked goods like cookies. Preparation dates for items like lemons. Offers instructions and expiration dates for food prep and large catering orders. What used to take you 20 minutes will take you 50 seconds. The Date Code Genie brings smart labeling solutions right to your fingertips. When life gives you lemons, buy the Date Code Genie so you don't have to spend forever labeling them. And then make lemonade. Visit hillandmarks.com today to learn more, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.